Morning, respected sir and my dear friends. Today is my topic. I am a student of BCom first year second semester. Today's my topic is valid, void and voidable contract. First of all, we have to understand what is contract. The contract is an agreement that is enforceable by law. If terms doesn't follow, legal action must be taken. Valid contract is a contract which is enforceable by law. It is valid from the beginning. It is enforceable by the both parties, like agreement with the major 18 plus people or sound mind. It is a valid contract. Valid contract is valid from the beginning, and for a valid contract some essential are contained in it, like offer and acceptance, free consent, lawful consideration, competent parties and lawful objectives. Example: if A sell his book for 500 rupees to B and B agree, then this is a valid contract. Contract is unenforceable by law. It is void from the beginning. It is void ab initio. It is unenforceable by the both parties. With a minor or like a fraud, it is a void contract. If some essential contract in the void, like fraud, misrepresentation, undue influence and coercion. Like if a person selling drugs or gambling, it is a void contract. Voidable contract is valid from the beginning but later become void or cancelled by the one parties. Voidable contract is binding from one party and then an option for the another party. If A force B to sign a contract but B have an option to cancel it, it is a voidable contract. Voidable contract is valid from the beginning but can be void by the one party if another party cancel the agreement. So some key points of the valid, void and voidable contract. Valid contract is legally enforceable by law. Valid contract is not enforceable by law. And voidable contract is valid but later become void by cancelling by the another party. So conclusion: it is very important to understand the valid, void and voidable contract in a business law. We have to knowledge about our rights and duties and about the illegal activities which have taken place. Thank you.